Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Quincy and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be giving you an updated version on how to use the microphone in duet mode on TikTok. Many of you still can't do it, you can't figure it out, so hey, that's why I'm here to help. Keep watching. So hey, if you know by now, I created a video a few months back on how to use the microphone in duet mode for TikTok. So make sure after watching this video, you check that one out. That way, all of your questions can be answered. So first and foremost, this can be done with an Android or an iPhone. You can have either or, so it really doesn't matter. I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to do, where you find the microphone feature, how to do it, and I'm also gonna give you an example. So you wanna make sure you watch the whole video. That way you don't miss anything. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and find a video that we are going to duet. All right, here we go. So we are about to go to TikTok right now. On my profile, you see 331,200 followers. Let's find a video to duet.
Why mamas don't trust daddies with the kids by themselves. They don't. This is what fathers do.
Let's see if we can do it. This one right
Stuff
here.
like this.
Oh man.
See, mama don't be doing none of that acrobatic. No.
Yeah, we don't do all that. Okay, so first things first, you can duet the video with the mic that's already on your phone. And as you see right there, we have the mic on the bottom right with a slash through it. So as mentioned in my previous video, that's what you should see right away. If you do not see a mic right where he's covering his mouth, if you don't see a video on the bottom right, there's an issue, there's a red flag. So whether you have iPhone or Android, and if you don't see a mic, then you want to click on this link right here, which is a video I've done on how to get any feature. I've had a number of people comment on the video that they've got the feature, it worked. A few weeks later, a month later, don't do this video and expect to get it overnight. But hey, anyway, if you see someone on that video and they said that they've got it, thanks, this worked, ask them questions. Ask them how long did it take, what happened, because that video does work, but it doesn't work for everybody. There's no guarantees. All right, so here we go. Let's go ahead and uncheck that. It says use earpiece at the top. Let's do that again. Use earpiece to improve recording quality. So I'm going to show you how to use the mic feature, but I'm also going to show you the better quality ways, because I'm going to show you how to not get feedback and the noise and the distortion and that some of you might be experiencing. So let's dive into it. Let's go ahead and hit record.
This is exactly why mamas don't trust daddies.
This is exactly why.
They don't. This is what fathers do.
Yeah.
This is exactly what fathers do.
This is crazy. Like this. I would never do that.
See, mama don't be doing none of that acrobatic.
We don't be doing none of that.
Fathers be doing all.
So we stopped that right there. Let's play it back.
This is exactly why mamas don't trust daddies.
This is exactly why.
They don't.
See,
this is
now you can kind of hear.
This is exactly what.
You can kind of hear already the echo, the feedback, you know, and that's because, you know, using the mic that's on the phone, it's recording what you're saying as well as what they're saying, and it's actually doubling it, giving you that extra noise that you really don't want. All right, so that's number one, using the mic that's on the phone. Now, what you didn't know, possibly, you can also use your AirPods, all right, and then of course you can also use your earbuds. I'm gonna recommend you use earbuds. Stick around, I'm gonna show you why. We're gonna try AirPods. Let's go ahead and make sure my Bluetooth is on. Palm Gear Smart Pods. Hopefully they're connecting. Now it says connected. All right, so let's go back to the video. All right, so now we're gonna use this mic right here.
This is exactly
why.
Mamas don't trust daddies with the kids by themselves.
Yes.
They don't. This is what fathers do.
This is why right
exactly
here.
What fathers
just
do.
Doing donuts
like this.
With the baby on the wheel.
See, mama don't be doing none of that acrobatic.
Mamas don't be doing that, for real. Now let's see what that sounds like. Let's play it back.
This is exactly
why.
Mamas don't trust daddies with the kids by themselves.
Yes.
They don't. This.
Now, of course, I'm hearing it in here. In my ear, there is no delay. So I know some of you say, I'm experiencing a delay. So listening to it, my voice is on point, it's synced up. Let's go ahead and actually take them off. Let's take them off and see if there's a delay.
This is exactly
why.
Mamas
So,
don't trust daddies
Yes.
with the kids by themselves.
Yes. Yes.
So there's no delay. Now, mind you, I am going to put these. Now, these aren't AirPods by Apple. Okay, this is a knockoff, but I'm going to put this in the description. If you are experiencing delay, it's probably the kind that you have. Now, I have real AirPods, but right now only one of the things work because I dropped the other one. I want to say I got these at Ross. The box looked nice. It was cool. It was a nice, big, bulky box. You get what you pay for. So I'm going to put these right here in the description below. Definitely you can get these because for a fact that there is no delay, no sync delay, no audio delay. All right. Now, however, there might have still been a added distortion that you might not want. And that's when now we're going to go ahead and try the earbuds. And let's go ahead and see what those can get you as far as quality. You guys already know the mic's already on there. I feel like I just look cool. What's up now? What's up? What's up?
This is exactly
Yes, it is.
why.
It's exactly
Mamas
why.
don't trust daddies
Right.
with the kids.
Mamas
by
don't
themselves.
trust daddies?
They don't. This is what fathers
Yep.
do.
Now let's see if that's synced up. I just put extra on it just to see if my words would sync up. Let's put play.
This is exactly
Yes, it is.
why.
It's exactly
Mamas
why.
don't trust daddies
Right.
with the kids.
Mamas
by
don't
themselves.
trust daddies?
They don't.
Now, obviously that's perfectly synced up. Let's go ahead and unplug the earbuds. All right, let's see if it's synced up without them on.
This is exactly
Yes, it is.
why.
It's exactly
Mamas-
why. So, no delay. Now, mind you, super quality. So, I'm going to tell you right now, if you're going to want to start duetting videos with the microphone feature, I recommend use these. Why? Because it's straight plugged up to the phone. Now, if you're going to use one that's proven, I recommend these. These will be in the description. But hey, check this out, guys. I would do trial and error. If you're experiencing delay, if you're experiencing distortion, go get a knockoff version. Go get an expensive version. I know you probably don't have money to be trying to figure all this out, but you have 3 options. And if none of your options are working to where the audio is to your liking, it could be your phone. This is just an example on what I'm trying to show you. Let me know, do you currently have AirPods? Do you have Apple AirPods? Do you have a knockoff version? Comment below. Let me know, is it working for you? Are you experiencing delay? And let me know, are you going to go try and possibly check out these knockoff AirPods because they actually work? Obviously, you need to get the job done, right? The video was short and to the point. If you really want a more in-depth video, watch the other video that I made a few months ago. And this is to try to help you out. So let me know exactly in the comments, what exactly are you experiencing? That way we can learn together and other people can see, and maybe you have the answer to someone else who's on here that has a question, or you guys can actually help each other out. All right, so until next time, I will see you soon. If you haven't already, make sure you like the video, share it with someone else who can benefit from it, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. It would greatly help me out. This way I can continue to bring you content that can help you on your social media journey. All right, guys.